Welcome to this trading tutorial, where I'll show you how to trade binary options effectively. We'll start with a deposit of $5,000 to $151 and explore trading strategies in real time. Here, it's clear to me that the market is in a sideways trend, suggesting a potential downward movement. Our indicators support this view, including the SAR and oscillator. Based on this analysis, I opted for a $500 sell position. The success of this initial trade sets the stage for more profitable trades. What do you think? The first trade is crucial for me as a professional trader. We've just secured our first profit. As anticipated, the trade delivered. The satisfaction of making a profit is unmatched. Now, let's turn our focus to the USD currency pair. I see an opportunity to buy, as the market is likely to rebound from oversold conditions. Both SAR and the oscillator confirm this outlook. Therefore, I entered a high buy position. Let's see if this move brings us further profits. Another profitable trade. Everything went smoothly, just as expected. Now, let's examine another currency pair showing upward movement. It's a straightforward decision. SAR and D marker indicators are aligned for an upward trajectory. I bought an option accordingly, trusting the indicators turned out profitable. Let's keep this momentum going. And here's another profit. We're consistently making gains. With $6,500 in our live account, the journey to profitable trading continues. Experience the joy of making profits and follow along as we consider the next trade in USD. I'm inclined towards a sell position due to clear indicators suggesting a downturn. Success again. The trade played out as predicted. It's simple when you follow the indicators and candle patterns. Taking a sell position here was the logical choice after observing the market pattern. Yet another decent profit. It's straightforward when you trust the indicators and market signals. Simply follow the logic, and the profits will follow. Today's profits stand at a staggering $7,659. It's a testament to the effectiveness of our trading approach. You too can achieve this level of success. Thank you for watching till the end. Goodbye.